before I really got into the stock market, I used to think that you had to be the smartest person in the world to be able to make money and to be successful in the stock market. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Courtney with the Flex Financial Investment Group. Appreciate you guys tuning in today. And if you would take a quick second, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, anything that you see on your screen, click that button. As long as it's not the thumbs down button, we appreciate that as we're looking to grow our YouTube channel, and we appreciate your support there. And our channel is really all about the stock market. We are building a channel, and our focus is on educating people, showing them how to trade and invest in the market. And our audience really is geared towards working professionals, high-level professionals, entrepreneurs, business owners that have a busy schedule, that are looking for flexible ways and strategies to invest in the market to get you very powerful results. So if you're one of those people and you're looking for some great information, continue subscribing to us, because we have some great videos coming up. All right. So before I really got into the stock market, I used to think that you had to be the smartest person in the world to be able to make money and to be successful in the stock market. When I got out of school, when I got out of college, I got introduced to the real world. I was playing college football and collegiate athlete and all that good stuff, and living life as a young person does. But once you're done with that, you got to get into the real world and get into working a 9-to-5, get into corporate America. And I quickly realized that working in corporate America, that working years and years trying to climb the corporate ladder is probably not gonna be for me. It's not really the right thing that kind of fits my personality. I'm more of an entrepreneur at spirit and at heart, and I like to kind of do my own thing. So the corporate structure really is not the best for me. So, I started, thinking of ways to make money and become financially free. And I've always had an interest in the stock market at a young age. I know, I knew people made a lot of money at it, or could make a lot of money at it, but I just, didn't know at the time how to really get into it. But I took steps, started learning and started figuring things out. And when I first got into it, seriously into it over a decade ago, I started out like a lot of people do. I started out as a day trader, and I day traded for close to 6 years. I had some success day trading. My specialty is really in shorting. So for people that don't know what shorting is, that's when you're making money when the market is going down, when stocks are going down. I was looking for shorting opportunities, and that's really how I made my money in the market for the most part. And I had some success with my day trading, but it wasn't really the big money success that I was looking for in the consistent profits. I was really looking for consistency, and I just wasn't getting that at the time when I first started out doing this. So, and not only that, it was very time consuming with day trading. I was kind of tied to my computer screen all day, clicking buttons, and it just wasn't really what I thought it was going to be when I first got into it. Needless to say, there's a lot of ups and downs. I would make money, I would lose money one day, and then, I feel happy, I feel sad the next day, and just an emotional roller coaster, a financial roller coaster, kind of just getting into the market and day trading. So, it seemed like when I was putting on my trades that the market would start working against me as soon as I put in my trades, and, my strategies weren't really working that consistently. It seemed like when I put in my trades, the market would just go in the opposite direction right away, or the market would start to, if I would put in a stop loss when I was day trading, I used to use a lot of stop losses, and my stop losses it seemed like they were getting hunted and getting taken out. That was kind of a funny thing. And that's a whole nother story, a whole nother video. I'm sure my day traders out there can relate to that. Maybe we'll do a video on that at some other time. But I knew I had to get it down. I knew how to get this stock market thing down, because I didn't want to be stuck, working jobs, and, I wasn't passionate about, and stuck in corporate America and not really able to live, life on my own terms and be truly financially free. So what really was the eye opener for me was when I was introduced to a mentor of mine some years ago. And they really kind of showed me and opened my eyes to some simple strategies that I wasn't using at the time. And some of these strategies I didn't even know were out there. I didn't even know existed. And that really made me realize that I was really going about this stock market thing, all wrong. I had to figure it out all wrong. And the main thing is that I realized is I was focused on too much on making quick money in the stock market, trying to get rich overnight. I felt like, man, I had to get it as quick as possible. I'm making up for all this lost time that I never was in the market. So, I wanted the money to come very quickly. And when you do that, you start to take on too much risk in the market. And I was trying to force the market to do what I wanted it to do, which doesn't work. The market, it has a mind of its own. It's going to do what it wants to do, instead of realizing and knowing how to capitalize on whatever the market direction that the market wants to go, and having a multiple strategies to be able to implement to be able to capitalize on that. I didn't have that. So once I figured that out, I learned that, man, my whole approach to the market with day trading, what I was doing at the time was all wrong. And not only that, I also found strategies that make you guarantee money in the market that I didn't even know existed, which was very eye-opening and exciting to just learn that. So from there, once I started learning these new strategies, and I had a mentor to kind of help guide me, I quickly realized that I could actually really become financially free from the market using these strategies. And not only that, I actually have my time back because these strategies have gave me more flexibility versus day trading and clicking buttons. I wasn't stuck in front of my computer all day looking at my trades and hoping and praying that the market goes my direction. I was able to put in my trades and kind of go on and do other things with my time, which was an awesome feeling, which was much better on my schedule, and I really like that. So, I could actually calculate, with these strategies, I could actually calculate in hard numbers the amount of money that, I needed to become financially free. And I could actually use these strategies to get me there, which was something that I never had before. So that was an eye-opening experience once I found, the right strategies and the right way to approach the market. So what we did with my partner Kev, he's been on this journey a long time with me as well, is what we did is we developed a system around these strategies that we learned in these flexible strategies. That's a lot where our name comes from with Flex Financial Investment Group. We developed a system around these flexible strategies where we're able to use them all together and create a powerful system to get you very, very powerful results, right? And consistent results, and something that actually works. And, the great thing is we're able to duplicate and use this system over and over and over again in the market. And this system has helped me become a six-figure-a-year trader, and also an investor, a wealth builder in the stock market. I'm not just a trader. I'm someone that looks to build wealth in the stock market. There's a difference between people that are looking to just trade and make quick money and people that are really looking to invest and grow wealth. I do both, right? And this system has allowed me to do that. And but the coolest thing about it all is the amount of people that we've been able to help with our system and teach them how to get the same powerful results that we had and give them the financial breakthroughs that they're looking for. This system that we created has created, thousands, a bunch of thousandaires, and we have some millionaires as well that we created from this system, and we changed a lot of lives, which is an awesome thing, which is very rewarding for what we do. So, I made a lot of money in the stock market. It's allowed me to live a comfortable lifestyle for myself and my family, which is cool. But, the biggest thing that I've learned and the biggest thing that I've taken away over my years is to have success in the stock market. It's not about how smart you are. It's not about how much money that you start with. I'm not the smartest guy. I definitely didn't start with the most money. What it's about is it's about having the right information. It's about having the right information. Information is key, right? Having the right financial education around what you're doing and the right information to get you where you want to be. That's key. It's about having a system and strategies that work, and then having a system to actually follow, something that you can stick to, something that you can do over and over again, that you have confidence in, that gets you results. It's about your mindset. It's about having the right mental mindset and approach to the market. And it's also about having discipline to stick to your plan and execute. So there's a lot of noise out there. There's a lot of people that are, teaching the market. There's a lot of information. You got to have the discipline to stick to your plan and execute your plan and block out the noise and stick to what you want to do. So if you have all those things, then the sky is truly the limit when it comes to the stock market. And those are the things that I've learned over the years that have gotten me to this point and becoming a Flex financial wealth coach and being able to change lives with the information that we have in this program. So I want to take some time, kind of share that with you guys, some things that I really realized about the stock market that helped me to get to where I am today. I hope my story kind of helps you guys as well. Those of you guys that are trying to figure out the market, stick with us. We're going to continue to educate. Continue to share from our own experiences. And if you guys need help with your own trading and investing, reach out to us. Well, you can book a call with us at flexfinancialtg.com. We'll discuss how we can help you. We'll share what we do and see if we're the right fit for you. And if not, that's totally cool too. It's all about exploring and getting the information to get you where you want to be. So thank you guys for tuning in today. Again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. We appreciate you guys supporting us as we continue to grow the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys have a good one.